When you learn about networking, start with pizza. Just like you want data when you browse the internet, you want pizza when you are hungry. Now while your pizza order gets delivered via the streets, your data gets delivered via the network. The pizza bakery corresponds to the server. You see, we are using analogies to explain networking concepts here. Understanding this isn't just fun, it can help you with your career. For example, if you pursue a certification or plan talking to customers.
Now, before you get these delicious pizza slices, you need the bakery's phone number. This is where DNS, or Domain Name System, plays its role. It's like your phone book, translating the bakery's name into a phone number you can use.
Once the pizza is ordered, a pizza driver hops into their car to bring you what you crave for. The pizza is the so-called payload.
What is ping? A ping is requesting an empty pizza box to see if you got the address right, the roads are available, and to check the latency. It looks like this. There is another term, bandwidth. The bandwidth tells you how many pizzas you can get per hour. The latency is how long the first pizza takes to arrive.
What is the MTU? The MTU, or maximum transfer unit, is the maximum size of a network packet to be transmitted. Think of it as a car that is too long to fit through narrow villages. The usual packet length is only 1,500 bytes. If you want more, all components between sender and receiver must allow for it.
What are IP addresses? An IP address is like a car plate. To drive on public streets, you need official car plates. However, if you have your own ring-fenced premise, you can use unofficial car plates if you like. These correspond to internal IP addresses. You can use them in your private network, but not on a public one.
A VPN, or virtual private network, allows you to communicate over the public internet using private IP addresses and to hide the information in the network packets. Compare it with a car transporter. The cars being transported can still have unofficial car plates. And a canopy will be used so nobody can see what's being transported.
Then, what's routing? A router is a network component with multiple interfaces that sends packets along the network to minimize hops. In our example, it's like a highway junction with signposts.
But there is also dynamic routing. Signposts that can change their display. That corresponds to BGP, the Border Gateway Protocol. It is the idea that made the internet possible. If one hub fails, traffic can be rerouted in a matter of seconds.
An interconnect is like your private highway. It connects cities with low latency and high bandwidth, and unofficial car plates, aka private IP addresses, are permitted to run over it.
A VLAN attachment to your interconnect is like a highway exit. While the interconnect exists between cities, it still needs exits to specific suburbs, or VPCs. Think of VPCs as networks that are completely isolated from other customer traffic.
We hope you like our little Learn by Analogies networking session featuring pizza. Maybe you even share it with friends. And if you have more analogies from your learnings, please share them in the comments.